Don't do that.
You jumped over these double big.
Excuse me? George! Or have room by the heat vents.
Guys, I don't know what's wrong with my cat. Why does he look like that? What is wrong?
It's much more
The first morning it's actually cold, and the kitty cats.
And his name is John C. Is he going to deliver sweet?